Well, hello everyone. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Well, Sister Paula and friends, how are you today? Are you good, everyone?
I am good.
Very good, Bro Ius and friends. Okay. So, welcome to our meeting today. Well, hello, Bro Ius. Are you there, Bro Ius?
Yes, I am here, bro.
Okay, Bro Ius, how was your weekend, bro?
Uh, Not good because I am still work.
Okay, so how many times do you work in a week, bro? Yes.
Could you repeat?
How many day? How many days? How many days do you work in a week? Berapa hari bekerja dalam seminggu? How many
Sorry.
days?
Wait. 6 days. For 1 week.
For 1 week. And
Yes.
then when is for day off? Sunday or Saturday or what? Or
Sometimes Friday, sometimes Sundays, but actually I cannot off day when I'm sorry weekend.
weekend?
Yeah, I have
Okay,
to
so means yeah.
I have day when weekday.
All right. So there is no fixed schedule for holiday, bro. Yes, yeah.
No,
All
no.
right. No. Well, so it's okay, bro. Yes, and still keep your health, yeah. All right. So everyone, let's reopen first the PowerPoint today. Here we go. Today is the 17 days of fasting, everyone. And also today is our uh, third weeks, ya, minggu ketiga kita, the third week. And today's topic is about can you tell about? So this topic is one of the topic that directs you to have speaking time, elaborate your speaking step by step, one by one. How long can you speak more and more? So because from the old meeting, sorry, the previous meeting, the last meeting, our problems from our friends mostly ya tentang durations of speakingnya. Ada yang panjang, tapi kebanyakan sih udah bagus ya kalau durasinya. Tapi ada beberapa yang masih belum. Nah, terkadang kita itu yang mempengaruhi speaking kita, impact to our speaking depends on the title we have. Tergantung topik yang kita punya. Kalau kemarin kan sebagian teman kita ketika menceritakan tentang uh, city, oke, tentang kota itu bisa lebih dari 4 menit, 5 menit, Bro Haris waktu itu ya. Terus kemudian ada juga teman kita yang menceritakan tentang trip and tips and trick about healthy life, oke, atau healthy food kemarin itu. Ada yang bisa sampai 4 menit lebih, ada yang cuman 2 menit, bahkan ada yang 1,5 menit. Oke. Nah, itu kenapa? Itu menandakan keterbatasan ide kita untuk menyampaikan sesuatu. Ya, mungkin satu, teman-teman tidak jago dalam dunia itu. Contohnya Sister Sylvie jago dalam dunia pariwisata. Ketika saya selalu mengeksplainkan tentang kesehatan, ya mungkin nggak nyambung, bukan nggak nyambung, tapi terbatas ide tentang kesehatan. Karena lebih jago ke dunia hiburan pariwisata, seperti itu. Maka teman-teman di sini juga harus pas penggunaannya, supaya lebih tertata. Maka teman-teman harus bisa meletakkan 5HW-nya itu bagaimana. Yang whom itunya, yes, what, where, when, why, sama how-nya itu bagaimana. Teman-teman harus bisa meletakkan itu. And then for today, Let's say I want to ask from sister, uh, let's say to sister Intan Paramita. Hello, Sister Intan Paramita. Are you there? Hello, sister.
Halo Kak, lagi kerja
Okay.
aku dengar saja ya.
Oh, okay. It's all right, Sister Intan, please. Well, so everyone, now I'm going to ask you for this part. In your opinion, what makes English, what is the thing in English that you are still struggling for, guys? And what makes it difficult for you? What's that? Kira-kira apa sih yang masih sulit? Dan apa yang membuat sulit menurut teman-teman? Let's
Nih ya,
say that. Yes, Sister Intan boleh.
me.
Hmm?
Oh, I think like grammar and kekurangan apa ya, less vocabulary.
Less of vocabularies.
Ya,
Do you improve or do you always upgrade your vocabulary every day, Sister Intan?
yeah, that is why I don't have
Sometimes.
what to say. Yeah, sometimes because I don't have
Bank of vocabularies
partner.
nggak punya. Nah,
I don't have
kalau
partner to speaking, and sometimes I busy, right? That is
mm-mm.
why I don't have time to memorize about many vocabulary.
Well. So guys, let me tell you this part. Actually, practicing vocabularies without partner is okay. Oke, kalau tadi Sir Intan katanya kekurangan kosakata ya. Kalau speaking, kalau grammar memang harus ada partner ya. Tapi kalau misalnya karena partner grammar itu menguji temannya ngomong, kita dengarkan, kita koreksi grammarnya, we correct the grammatical structure, and then when we are speaking, they will correct us. But sometimes we also must realize about our grammar structure. We have to realize what we are saying. We have to realize what we are thinking and conveying that in English. We have to realize that. But for improving for our English, the best one that you have to know is vocabulary. Now my question is, do you have a bank of vocabularies? Teman-teman punya nggak bank kosakata? Atau hanya menghafalkannya hanya ya apa adanya aja bro, kalau saya nggak tahu tinggal saya ketik gitu aja. Oh no, you have to know guys, teman-teman harus punya yang namanya bank of vocabulary buat
Caranya
draft.
gimana? Gimana,
Nah,
Sir?
gini, ada beberapa kosakata yang dia itu tersedia di Google banyak. Misal nih, Sister Paramita sekarang sibuk apa bahasa Inggrisnya mau menjuru tentang dalam dunia masak. Oke, klik aja di Google Chat GPT. Berikan saya kosakata tentang memasak dalam bentuk PDF. Nah, terus ada juga ini PDF kata yang gratis.
Your voice not clear, bro Reski. We cannot hear your voice.
What about now? Is it clear now? Can you hear me? Clear now?
Yeah, still bad.
Check. What about now, sister?
Yeah, better than before.
Okay, thank you. So in some occasions, the course they give the free vocabularies, even not much, meskipun nggak banyak ya, mereka biasanya ngasih ada beberapa. Nah, kalau di Speaking Partner juga ada, kita ada kan bank of vocabulariesnya kalau nggak salah yang di second module. Nah, itu juga teman-teman taruh di PDF, setiap hari buka. Oke, kalau saya itu dulu ketika saya belajar bahasa Inggris, semua aplikasi saya tutup, tapi PDF vocabulary nggak pernah saya tutup. Selalu saya tidurkan. Jadi kalau buka handphone, eh, 5 menit, kadang baca sebentar. Oh, ini tadi saya belum nggak terlalu hafal ini. But I use for speaking. Saya gunakan for speaking. So, itu cara saya untuk menghafalkan. Jadi kita nggak bisa mengandalkan listening terus, nggak bisa. Karena teman-teman itu hidup di Indonesia yang mana bahasa Inggris bukan second language. So that's why you will always listen bahasa Indonesia and bahasa Indonesia. So you will not understand about new vocabulary. No. So you have to learn by yourself. Makanya teman-teman harus prepare yang namanya bank of vocabulary. Oke, dulu ketika saya kecil itu di rumah-rumah itu di dinding anak-anak kecil itu biasanya ada tulisan A B C 1 2 3 apa bahasa Inggris ya, yang apa namanya poster-poster kayak gitu. Oke, itu nggak ngefek sama saya. Kenapa? Karena cuma pajangan. Saya nggak pernah diajarkan untuk melihat lihat terus. Jarang bahasa, jarang sekali. Makanya itu karena nggak kebiasaan. Tapi kalau teman-teman menerapkan itu, anak-anak suruh baca sehari 2 kali atau sehari sekali, itu mereka akan ingat. Oke, karena berdasarkan pengalaman. Oke, this is a real life. Ngafalin Quran itu kan sulit ya teman-teman. Tapi this is one of surah that I never memorize. Okay, never mean to memorize it. Just listen every morning and every evening. Surat Al-Baqarah itu di masjid luar, karena saya waktu tinggalnya di Bandung ya. Jadi di tanjakan atas itu ada masjid lumayan besar yang menghidupkan rekaman bacaan Quran. Dan itu saya hafal dari ayat 1 sampai halaman ke-4 atau ke-5 gitu. Tanpa saya menghafalkan. Karena tiap hari dengerin, main bola dengerin, makan dengerin. Nggak sadar 3 tahun hafal ternyata. Okay. So, this is the incredible one from listening. Tapi dalam bahasa Inggris, apakah teman-teman seperti itu? Setiap hari mendengarkan tanpa disengaja? I think no. Ya, teman-teman pasti struggle banget watch video apa. Kalau saya dulu enggak. Jadi itu kenapa used to get it. Orang Jawa mengatakannya al biasa minal kulimau. Kalau teman-teman pengen baca sebuah buku namanya The Power of Habit, The Power of Habit. Itu orang stres dalam keadaan terberat pun bisa menjadi bangkit gara-gara kebiasaan yang dia dalami. I mean, you have to know guys, bank of vocabularies, make it as habit. Yeah, make it as habit. And what makes it difficult? Yeah, I think let's do practice. Let me say, at home, do you ever speak with yourself with English, everyone? Pernah nggak mikir sendiri, ngomong sendiri pakai bahasa Inggris di rumah?
Yeah, sometimes I do that, bro, Reski.
Let's do it every time, Sister Sylvie.
Yeah, like
Let's
for example, we learn about can you tell about today? If you ask me something and I feel like I cannot answer your question, and then I repeat again by myself. So I ask to myself and then I try to answer that question like that. And I still
yeah.
do that in when I do something like I do my domestic work, and then when I cooking like that.
So that made me good at English when I was student, Sister Sylvie. Because when I was student, I didn't stay in Kampung Inggris, but outside of Kampung Inggris. Makanya saya tidak mendapatkan English area. Kenapa, bro? Karena uang saya nggak cukup buat bayar camp, teman-teman. Camp di kampung Inggris itu murah, cuma 250 sebulan. Tapi saya nggak mampu, karena budget saya dulu 1 juta satu bulannya. Buat makan, kursus, sewa sepeda, kemudian biaya kos. Makanya saya ngekos yang 150 ribu di luar kampung Inggris, lumayan agak jauh. And I did that. So I speak with myself in English. Well, sometimes one day 2 recordings, 2 hari 2 record, saya rekam di depan kaca ngomong sendiri. Terus kemudian I always speak with myself whatever I want to do. Always that. Jadi ketika saya mikirin tentang sebuah film, dapur, ya dapat kosakatanya apa aja dapat. Dan saya nggak pernah nunda. Ketika saya dapat, misalnya, I will talk about vocabularies in the toilet or when I go to bathroom. I take a bath. I say to myself, okay, now I'm going to take a bath. Now I take my towel and I take my toiletries. Nah, toiletries itu perlengkapan mandi ya. And then after that I go to bathroom. Oh, this is keran apa ya? Bawa HP di kamar mandi, tulis keran. Oh, tap, faucet. Oh, this is tap, this is faucet. Jadi ketika mandi saya ngelihat, saya sebutkan dalam bahasa Inggris, saya ingat. Hafal. Seperti itu. So, nggak sengaja teman-teman disengaja, biasanya kita sengaja ngafalin itu malah kadang nggak hafal, kadang ya. Sometimes. That's why let's make it as habit everyone. Ya, teman-teman, makanya nanti kelasnya usahakan teman-teman bisa one day, one voice note dan sebagainya. Sedangkan di kelas webinar ini, teman-teman bisa ambil positifnya dengan grammatical correction-nya bagaimana ketika speaking and so on. And don't worry. Okay, mistake is a mistake. So when you get a mistake, let's learn from it. Okay. Be friends from them. Yeah. So that's what I would like to say. Ingat ya, speak with yourself. One day, one recording, one voice note atau two recordings boleh. Terus kemudian jangan lupa speak with yourself. Ngomong dengan diri sendiri. Oke, okay. Nggak harus butuh partner. Saya nggak punya partner dulu sama sekali. Jadi di balik kelemahan saya terdapat apa namanya motivasi yang lebih. Oke, okay. Bahkan saking kebetulan saya itu punya teman-teman yang bergantung kepada saya dalam segala permainan dan sebagainya. Saya jago main PS, main bola, alhamdulillah oke, cycling, ngapa-ngapain, semuanya oke. Jadi ketika saya lagi belajar, my friends told me, bro, saya dipanggilnya kan Randy ya. Ren, ayo nanti malam main PS. Aduh bro, jadwalku belajar nih, ngafalin kosakata. Oke, ayolah gitu. Terus mereka maksa, oh kalau gitu kamu yang bayar, soalnya nanti kalau misalnya di main PS, saya harus bergadang nih gantiin jam main PS tadi buat belajar. My friends itu sampai tahu mereka buy my time to accompany them to play. Seperti itu. Karena waktu itu saya merasa paling bodoh di kelas. Jadi I study, no go anywhere, but when my friends invite me, they really want me to do it, so they have to pay my time. Mereka harus bayar waktu saya. Karena nanti saya harus lera bergadang menggantikan waktu main saya dengan teman saya tadi. Okay, so my time to play only weekend, guys. Weekend aja saya main. Setelah itu jarang sekali. Oke, makan pun saya bungkus saya bawa ke camp sambil lihat buku dan sebagainya. That was my time when I was studying, everyone. Okay, so now let's have a small practice today. Kita menggunakan kalimat ini, can you tell? Tapi biasanya teman-teman kalau kita ingin menjawab sesuatu, when I give you question, you can answer about, can you tell about something that you love? Nah, teman-teman jawabannya bisa menggunakan kata, okay, let me tell you about something I love. I will tell you about something I love. I can say that something I love is blah blah blah. Oke, itu juga bisa pakai ini. May I, my favorite thing is blah 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 dan sebagainya. Now, the question is about yourself, everyone. I'm going to speak from sister. Oh, wait a minute. Let's say, yeah, to Bro Ahmad Baihaki. Bro Ahmad Baihaki, are you there?
Ya, sir.
Okay. This question is really common. Pertanyaan ini sangat umum dan bahkan di ujian TOEFL IELTS sering ditanyakan. Okay, it is the personal question, so I would like to start from Bro Ahmad Baihaki. Do you know yourself well?
I maybe I don't know myself well.
All right. Okay, so now if we want to know, bro, about yourself, could you tell
Yeah.
me how is your character? Who are you and how is that? How is that? Bagaimana sih bro Baihaki itu? You can tell us. So if one day we meet, we can get along. Get along means bergaul well with you. Come on, bro, Ahmad Baihaki. It's your time to tell us who you are and how is your character? How are your characters?
Maybe let me tell you about my character. My character is quiet, but sometimes I like apa ngobrol apa ya sorry?
Talk. I like talk. I like
Ya, I
talking.
like talk. Even although I quiet,
I am
but
quiet.
I sometimes I like talk each other. Yeah, maybe.
Others.
Yeah.
You can say I like talking with others, orang lain.
Yeah.
What's your favorite? What's your favorite time to talk, bro? I mean, what do you like to talk? Suka ngobrolin apa? Something that you like to talk.
Oh, maybe anything. It just what is I know maybe.
Okay. Wow. Thank you. Oh, wait. Could you tell me something that you dislike?
Maybe I like sport and traveling and
I mean, something you dislike, bro Ahmad. Dislike
oh
means yang tidak bro suka.
oh uh, I don't like keramaian apa keramaian?
A crowded place.
Yeah, because I think very noisy. Yeah, maybe just like that, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, bro Ahmad
Yeah.
Bayhaqi. Okay, nah, bro Ahmad Bayhaqi, coba nanti terapin bro ya yang saya sampaikan tadi bro ya. Speak with yourself, bro ngomongnya dengan diri sendiri, bro punya problem atau punya pandangan, opini, itu pakai bahasa Inggris. Saya rasa teman-teman semuanya tuh punya opini, tapi nggak mau ngomong frontal atau apa, pasti punya dalam diri sendiri. Let's say speak with yourself by English, or with English guys. Terus jangan lupa sesekali dikonveykan, dikeluarkan ucapannya dengan audio buat diri sendiri nggak apa-apa, rekam. Oke, kalau dulu itu ada namanya aplikasi Speak On guys. Teman-teman biasanya kayak semacam apa anonim gitu, teman-teman ngomong disebar ke seluruh dunia, tapi nggak ada yang tahu itu suara Bro Bayaki atau tidak. Oke, orang akan mendengarkan, tapi mereka nggak bisa komen juga. Sehingga saya nggak bisa komen. Cuma mereka bisa ngasih like and dislike. Suara bro bagaimana, bahasa Inggrisnya bagaimana. Tapi sekarang udah di take down kalau nggak salah itu aplikasinya. Udah nggak bisa. Coba nanti cari namanya Speak On. Speak spasi on. Saya masih punya aplikasinya di HP lama. Cuman kalau saya download di Google Play Store nggak tahu ada apa nggak namanya. Speak On. Itu banyak sekali challenge speaking di sana, mulai dari 2 menit sampai 4 menit. Aplikasinya warnanya putih, ada gambar pohonnya. Okay. Speak On, let me write. Masih ada nggak kira-kira? Oh, sudah nggak ada ya. Oke, sudah nggak ada teman-teman. Oke, Speak On. Adanya Elsa Speak sekarang. So you may practice that for improving your English. Now, I'm going to speak with other. Let's say to Sister Anastasia. Sister Anastasia.
Halo bro.
Okay. Sister Anna, can you tell us about character of persons, yeah, of people you like and dislike?
The people that I like, uh, the people who is receive me, and the people that want to talk with me. I like that. I like the people like that.
You mean friendly persons?
Yes, friendly person.
Okay, why do you like it?
Because I'm talkative person,
Okay.
and I talk a lot of anything. So I'm looking for someone to good listener for a good listener.
Okay. So that's the first adjective, friendly. Second person, what's that?
That's someone that unlike yeah.
Still you like.
Oh, still I like.
Uh-uh.
I
What's
like
that?
I like with someone that extrovert person.
Extrovert.
Yes, because
Okay.
I can because I am the introvert. So if I met the extrovert person, I can learn a new things from her or him.
Okay. Wow. And then what about someone you dislike, Sir Anna?
Um, actually, like I am talkative person.
You dislike person like you. Nggak suka orang yang kayak sister.
Yes.
Why?
Or I don't like when I sing the person uh with insecurity.
Okay. So are you insecure?
Yes, I am.
What makes you insecure? What are you insecure about?
Because sometimes I comparing myself with others,
All right.
and I'm not confident.
You are not confident.
Yes.
Okay. And then the second person, any again?
Mm, the second person, oh yang sombong apa ya? Lupa. Forget the
Arrogant.
words. Sorry.
Arrogant.
Yes, arrogant person.
Okay. Why do you like it?
Why I didn't like it? Because yeah, you should not to be arrogant. You should to be respect to others.
Okay.
I think that's all. I can talk too much
Thank
with
you.
English.
All right. Sometimes people don't do anything, but they are called arrogant. Aneh ya kadang ya, nggak ngelakuin apa-apa tapi disebut sombong.
Yes,
Saya
that's
heran.
weird.
Okay, and my family told me that saya tuh jujur ya, saya tuh orangnya kalau nggak kenal sama orang, ya saya nggak mau nyapa dulu, nggak mau bukan nggak mau nyapa, tapi nggak mau salaman, nggak mau nyapa duluan, nggak karena saya tahu gitu di luar itu. So that's why that was me guys, not now ya. Itu dulu saya dulu. That's why when one of my one of the most important person in my region came to my village, datang ke kampung saya sholat berjamaah. Okay, and then after praying, after recitation, setelah pengajian, semua orang pada salaman and bla 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 bla. And then ya namanya bapak-bapak kadang kan habis sholat ngumpul di masjid ngobrol-ngobrol gitu ya. Ada anak kecil salaman salaman. And then I directly went home at the time. Then my friend told me, why don't you shake hand with him? I don't know. I don't know him. And I have no problems with him. Saya nggak kenal, ngapain harus salaman? Kayak gitu. Terus kemudian jangan kayak gitu, nggak boleh kayak gitu. Really that. It was me guys. Jadi saya tuh kalau nggak ditegur dulu, nggak disapa dulu, saya akan diem terus. Nggak akan menyapa dulu. Bukan berarti harga diri lebih tinggi. No. I think because it was difficult time to start a conversations. Me at the time when I was junior high school. Oke, junior high school till senior high school. Meskipun saya orangnya seperti itu, tapi kalau manggung, ngajar, kerja gitu, wow. Oke, always all is fun. I mean, easy to handle it. Oke, I can handle it. Ya, confidence dan sebagainya. Cuman saya tidak suka memulai percakapan dulu di awal. Seperti itu. It was me at the time, guys. And yeah, finally now we could break it. And Sister Anna and friends, if you want to compare yourself, do not compare with yourself with other people with a high value. No, okay. High value person, get it, let's be friend, and then beat it. Jadi kalau ada orang yang value di atas kita, jangan kita musuhi. Deketin, pelajari, habis itu baru kita beat. Oke, kita kalahkan. Kalahkan dalam berarti bukan mencederai atau menghinakan dia, tidak. Maksudnya kita harus lebih tinggi daripada dia. Kalahkan dalam segi ilmiah gitu. I have one of my best friend. Saya nggak tahu kalau dia itu pernah kursus dulu sebelumnya. At the time the best student in my generations, in my campus. Tapi saya deketin dia, saya belajar sama dia. Setelah lulus, dia masih yang terbaik. Masih waktu itu dia jadi second of the best. Oke, saya urutan ke 40 berapa gitu. Tapi kalau di compare speakingnya masih lancar saya. Dia dia pintar dalam menganalisa, sedangkan saya pintar untuk stand in front of many people. Semuanya ada apa namanya? Ada porsinya masing-masing. Kalau dalam bahasa Inggris, do not compare apple to oranges or oranges to apple. Jangan membandingkan apel dengan jeruk atau jeruk dengan apple. Oke, okay? It's not comparing apple to apple. Jangan suka membandingkan. Oke, okay? It's not comparing apple to apple. Ini tidak membandingkan apel dengan apel. It's like comparing apple to oranges. Sister apelnya, orang lain orange juice-nya, berarti mereka lebih di bawah. Atau kita yang orange juice-nya, kita orange-nya, mereka yang apple-nya. Salah nanti. Oke. Okay. Kalau kita melihat orang yang di bawah dengan sombong, maka kita akan menghina. Tapi kalau kita melihat orang di atas dengan sombong, maka kita juga akan iri. Tapi kalau kita melihat orang ke bawah dengan bersyukur, wah itu lebih bagus. Tapi kalau melihat orang di atas lebih menjadi motivasi, itu juga keren. Okay, so depends on side you see everyone. And today I want you to tell about yourself and say about person you like and dislike. Sebutkan 2 jenis tipe orang yang teman-teman tidak suka. The first, I like a wise person, friendly person, and reliable person, misalnya orang yang dapat bisa dipercaya. Oke, diandalkan. And something that I dislike is, alright, hypocrite person. Oke, hypocrite itu apa ya? Munafik. Hypocrite. And the second perhaps is, undisciplined person misalnya, atau lazy person. Wah, you may say that everyone with your friends about this ya. Something that you like and you dislike. Okay. Well, so let me divide you, become several groups. We explore again something that you like and you dislike everyone together with our friends today. And here we go. Let me divide you for a moment. Okay, wait. Please click first to go our breakout room, guys. Guys, don't forget to tell about your future plans, okay? To your friends, your future plans. Thank you. Okay, Bro Bayati. Here, please. Sister Milea, over there. Sister. Sister Sylvie, you got problems, the connections? Sister Intan. Okay. We have Rurons. Sister Intan, let's say turun 2. Teman-teman bisa diklik Zoom chatnya atau what is it called? Kita ke Classroom, Sister Intan, Sister Milea. Welcome one, Sister Sylvie. Yeah, you may click, Sister Sylvie.
Yeah, can you help me, bro? Because I cannot join before. I have a problem with connection.
Okay. Can you click again now? Sudah bisa belum? This. Can you?
Okay, thank you, Reski.
My pleasure. Please. Let me come, guys.